In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a floor plan in Lucid. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which options to choose, and how to get a floor plan template open and ready to edit, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, open your browser and head to the Lucid website. You can use any modern browser. If you already have an account, sign in so you can access your workspace. If you're new, you'll be prompted to create an account before you see the main interface. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the central hub for everything you create and manage. On the dashboard, look for the For You section. This is where Lucid surfaces recommendations and quick start options tailored to common use cases. Click. For you to open a curated space that makes it easier to find what you need without digging through every category. Next, select More Templates. This opens the full template gallery, which is the fastest way to start a project with the right structure already in place. In the search bar, type Floor Plan. You'll see a collection of professionally designed floor plan templates ranging from simple room layouts to more detailed office and facility plans. Take a moment to hover over a few options and preview the layout. Choosing a template that's closest to your goal will save you time later. When you find a template you like, open it to start editing. The canvas will load with the basic walls, rooms, and symbols. From here, customize the layout to match your space. You can drag walls to resize rooms, add doors and windows from the Shapes panel, and adjust labels to clearly mark areas like kitchen, conference room, or reception. If the template includes dimensions, update them to reflect your actual measurements. Zoom in for precise adjustments and use snapping or grid lines to keep everything aligned and neat. If the Shapes panel offers multiple libraries, make sure the Floor Plan or Architectural Symbols library is enabled so you have access to furniture, fixtures, and other useful icons. As you build, keep related items grouped for easy moving and rename layers or sections so it's clear what each part represents. If your layout involves multiple zones, consider using subtle color fills to distinguish them visually while keeping the design clean. Remember, the goal of a floor plan is clarity. Labels, consistent spacing, and readable text sizes all help. And that's it. You've gone to Lucid, navigated through For You, open more templates, search for floor plan, and started editing a template that fits your needs. Tweak it until it matches your space, and you're ready to share or continue refining as your project evolves.